Hi, welcome back to the vlog. Today we have a lot to do. It's already like 5 o'clock. I have a few things that I need to do today and also a lot that I'm going to do tomorrow. So let's talk about it. As you guys know, I am the queen of writing things down. Every time I have to do something, I gotta write it down. So I need to write down everything that I need to do today as well as tomorrow so that I stay on track and I don't forget anything and I don't have to hold it in my head and I'm not all stressed out about it or anything like that. Actually, I'm gonna show you what I created. It's a whole list of all of the content that I need to create. So I'm doing something that I haven't done before, where tomorrow I went ahead and rented out a studio space to create content at, and I also hired a photographer that's going to meet me there and take some pictures for about an hour or so. We're taking things to the next level. I'm trying to batch create a bunch of content all at once so that I'm not stuck in this cycle of creating and uploading, or whatever. Basically, we're trying to work smarter, not harder. Let me show you what I have. So look at this. It's a whole list of everything that I want to film while I'm at the studio. And also today, I'm actually gonna wash my hair and film part 1 because you know how hair care is. You gotta do part 1 the first day and then the second day take down your hair. So I'm gonna do that. I also want to film like a self-care vlog-ish, which is basically what you're watching right now. So I know this video is supposed to be self-care, and I say this because I want to take care of my skin, I want to take care of my hair, I want to moisturize my body, sis, so that I'm all beautiful for my pictures tomorrow. But I also like have to clean my house. Is anybody else out there can relate to the fact that they are always cleaning? I'm always cleaning. I feel like there's always something to clean around here. I'm going to clean this place one more time because that's all I do. I clean. Instead of lighting a candle, I am going to use my essential oil diffuser. It honestly gets the entire house to smell so good. Just add a bunch of essential oils. I don't keep track of how many drops I put in, okay? Could we go any slower? Talk about not understanding the assignment. Lid goes on, and then press the buttons. Is this not plugged in? Who did this? So now that it's plugged in, you press the button. There we go. Look how pretty that looks. Ooh. Yes. Now let's plan the rest of the day. It's already 6 o'clock. My afternoon's been planned. I actually realized that I was doing a little too much. I don't really have that much to do. It's going to take time, but it shouldn't take that long. I have to wash my hair, I have to do my skincare, body care, and I have to make dinner and pack, because tomorrow, like I told you, is the big day where I'm going to create a bunch of content. So I want to make sure that I have everything with me. I don't want to forget a battery, I don't want to forget a charger, I don't want none of that. I don't want any problems. I am super excited to wash my hair today, and okay, I finally got my fingers on the Do Most Def. We need a round of applause for this because, listen girl, I've been trying to get my hands on this for like a month. It took a month for it to get here. I'm in Canada and it's not readily available. And some people are like, oh my God, get it from Chloe or get it from Beauty Outlet. Well, I would have, but they were out of stock. So I think I got it from House of Beauty. So this is what we're gonna be using today. We're gonna use Weed Out as usual, AG Boost, and then Most Def to do my hair. I am actually going to be filming the whole hair portion, and that's going to be a different video, bro. You already know we gotta take our time. We gotta talk when we do hair. So yeah, you're not gonna see it here, but it's going to be posted. And when it's posted, it will be linked over here. There's gonna be a little boop. There it is. But one thing that I am going to say, my hair is 7-day post-wash day, and I realized first of all, that not only has my hair stayed moisturized, but I was outside sitting with Bae last night. We were having dinner and it's super humid, it's hot, and my hair felt almost like, not wet, but moist. Oh, I hate to say that word, but it really felt moist. It was absorbing, I guess, the humidity, the water in the environment. It's very interesting. Listen, if you don't want to try the no oil and butter thing, I think you should try the no oil and butter thing, just to see what it's like. Let's get my hair washed, but we're going to fast forward between you and I to body care, because hair care is going to be a different video. To do my self-care today though, of course, I will be using a piece of paradise. This is my box with IMONatural. Girl, peep that. IMONatural X JENNJ, that is right. We are gonna be using these goodies. We have a soap, we have a body scrub, and you know what? I am feeling some kind of way, so I will light this candle. Nice body cream. It's a hair and body cream, by the way. And if you want to lock in that moisture even further, there is a body oil with everything that you need to create your own little paradise. Okay, so let's start with the candle. Clearly it's been used, and you guys, this smells so good, so delicious. Now that the mood has been set, we can hop in the shower. I look like the mask. Y'all remember that movie? I love that movie. Under the dryer we go. One thing that I am going to say though, I am really loving this faded cream. It does not smell very pleasant, but I really feel like it's tackling these hyperpigmentation marks, these acne marks so beautifully. And I can see why, you know, there is niacinamide in there, there's azelaic acid in there, there's melatonin, there is tranexamic acid. I hear that's good for marks too. So one of you guys recommended this miracle patch. I got it on Amazon and it's supposed to really help with pimples. And now that I have one coming, I think it's the perfect time to put it to the test. I have a pimple coming right there. Oh, I can feel it. It's a little painful. Basically, it's this little patches like that. Take one out and you put it on your pimple. I hope I put it where I should put it. The good thing is you can barely see it. I mean, you can kind of see it just because you and I know it's there. But if you didn't know, would you even be able to notice it? That's the question. And we'll see in the morning what it looks like. And tomorrow we're going to create magic. I'm so excited for this new thing I'm trying with creating a bunch of content in one day. It may be exhausting, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Good morning. Today is the day. Early in the morning, but I have a few things to do before I leave. I actually think today is gonna be a very interesting vlog for you guys because I'm actually going to be out of the house. First thing first, let's make our bed, and then I have to upload and schedule a video to go out later today so that I don't have to worry about it when I'm taking pictures and creating videos or whatever. And then pack. I need to pack a bunch of stuff with me and I don't want to forget anything. So let's get the day started. So we made it to the studio. I will give you guys a little tour. It's nice. It's giving me COVID vibes a little bit. I've been here once before. Okay, let me give you a little backstory. I've been here once. I just had a tour. I was not here to like work or anything like that. If I remember it, that's why I ended up booking this place. This is what we're working with. So there is a lot of different setups. This is super cute. I can see, I don't know, something around here. Maybe like film a video with this as the backdrop. There is also all of this. I think this color is just amazing. I definitely want to do something with that as well. You know, I have this whole space to myself. What do? I don't know. I don't know. It's calling my name. We'll definitely have to do something with her too. Right? There's just so many different props and different setups here that, yeah, look at this. Right? Right? It's giving. It's giving all the feels. I have to take a few pictures around here. And this is me looking a little crazy, but we'll fix that in a second. I think this is nice too. Kind of, I don't know, this is like giving me creepy vibes, but artistic creepy. And this yellow wall, wow, gotta do something with that too. So much that I can do here, and I plan on taking full advantage because I booked the whole day, so 8 hours. 8 hours, wow. Wow, I snapped a little bit. All right, well, let's get to work.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now.
We've been filming for, honestly, 3 hours now. 3 hours, and I'm getting hungry, so I'm probably gonna go get something to eat. And then I want to get right back into it because I have a photographer coming in 2 hours, and there's a few videos that I still want to film. So it's getting like, it's a lot to do in one day, but I'm really happy that I'm doing it because I've already filmed 4 videos. Oh, how many videos did I film? 4 videos. That's already like a bunch of videos that I can schedule out, and I don't have to worry about it. And this is exactly what I wanted to do. I don't want to be in the weeds filming and uploading all the time. So yeah, let's go get something to eat. And I also forgot my jeans, so I think I may go buy a pair of jeans. Can you believe it? I have so many pair of jeans at home, and I'm gonna buy a pair of jeans. Ugh, whatever, let's go. Of course, today had to be the day that it's raining. Out of all the days, today's the day. Change of plans. I'm gonna go to the mall because they have an underground parking, so I can just scoot underground, get my food, get my jeans, and then come back. So that's what we're gonna do. I haven't been to the mall, you guys, since, I want to say since the pandemic started. I haven't been to this particular mall. I hope they're open. I think they're open. I also forgot my earrings, so I may just pick one up too. My God. I guess I can say goodbye to my beautiful lipstick. Goodbye.
Man, jealousy, I think it's jealousy. But hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my...
I found what I needed. Let's go. Oh, so I'm back, and I got myself some food. Finally, I need to get some food in my belly because I'm gonna die. I also find exactly what I was looking for, which is just basically jeans. Crazy, I had to pay, how much was this? Look at this. For some jeans that I have at home. Anyways, let's eat. Oh my God, this is so good. It's a salmon poke bowl. I feel like it's healthy. There's cucumber, lettuce, salmon, of course, fish eggs, and rice, as well as lettuce. It's pretty good. But I have to make sure I don't eat too much because I need to suck in my belly later on when I take pictures. So I filmed 4 videos so far. I have 1 more to film. I wanted to film a bunch of reels, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time. It's okay, it's just what I meant to be. This is nice. Like, the reason why I wanted to do this is because I get distracted a lot at home too. So right now, no one's calling me, no one's distracting me. Bae already knows what I'm doing. So it's kind of like heads down work to do everything that I wanted to do. I'm all done. Going home. I have my photographer over here.
Hey, what's up?
Woo woo.
How's it going, everyone?
You have a channel, I'll shout you out.
Yeah,
what is it?
It's The Real Curvins.
He's ready, he's like, so my channel is
The Real Curvins.
The Real Curvins. Y'all go follow him for photography tips. I had a long day out here. So, let's go home. I am going to end the vlog here. I had an excellent day shooting, creating content. I can't wait to see the pictures from the photographer, and I have to go through all of my footage and get everything edited. I am glad I did it. Now it's time to be home and just relax and not think about work at all, although all I can think about is work lately. What should I shoot, what I should edit, just work, negotiating, emails. There's always something, but I am going to take the rest of the day for myself to just chill, take off my makeup, you know, take care of this big old pimple on the side of my face. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the vlog. I appreciate it always, and I'll see you some other time in another video. Bye.